Find out the length of transition curve passing through plain terrain for two-lane pavement with an extra widening on a horizontal curve of radius 200 meter, design speed 60 km per hour, width of pavement on straight stretches is 7 meter and super elevation provided is 0.07. Assume that the pavement is rotated about center line at a rate of 1 in 100. Okay. And we need to calculate the length of transition curve. Length of transition curve is calculated based on three criteria and we are taking the maximum value of 3. Okay. And first criteria is based on rate of change of centrifugal acceleration. We know that rate of change of centrifugal acceleration C is equal to 80 divided by 75 plus V, and V is velocity in kilometer per hour, that is 60 kilometer per hour. Here C is equal to 80 divided by 75 plus V, that is 60, is equal to 0.59 meter per second cube. And the value of C should be between 0.5 to 0.8, hence it is satisfying the criteria. Okay, and the length of transition curve can be found out by using the equation V cube divided by C into R. Here V you need to substitute in meter per second, that is 60 into 5 divided by 18, the whole cube, divided by C is 0.59, R is 200 meters. Okay, and if you substitute it, you will get length of transition curve as 39.23 meters. Next, the length of transition curve as per allowable rate of introduction of super elevation. We know that super elevation E is equal to 0.75 V the whole square divided by G into R. And that is equal to 0.75 into V is 60 into 5 divided by 18 meter per second, the whole square divided by G is 9.81 and radius is 200 meters. And if you calculate, you will get E as 0.08. And this value is greater than the allowable rate of super elevation, that is 0.07. So we need to limit the value of super elevation to 0.07. Next, we need to check the safety against transverse skidding for the design speed of 60 km per hour. We have coefficient of lateral friction F as V square divided by GR minus E. V is 16.67 or 60 into 5 by 18. The whole square divided by G is 9.81, R is 200, and super elevation we take as 0.07. We limit as 0.07, and this value is 0.0716, and this value is less than the allowable value of lateral friction, that is 0.15. And we can understand that the super elevation that we adopted, that is 0.07, is safe for the design speed of 60 km per hour. Okay, and super elevation E is equal to 0.07 is safe for design speed of V is equal to 60 km per hour. Next, we are going to calculate the width of pavement at the curve. We know that equation for extra widening is equal to W is equal to NL square divided by 2R plus V the whole divided by 9.5 into root R. Here N is the number of lines. Okay, here in this problem 7 meter is covered, so N is equal to 2, number of lanes is 2. L is the length of wheelbase, that can be taken as 6.1 as per IRC. So 2 into 6.1 the whole square divided by 2 into R, radius is 200 plus velocity V we should substitute in kilometer per hour, so 60 kilometer per hour divided by 9.5 into square root of 200, and the extra widening is 0.196 plus 0.446, and that is equal to 0.632. and the total width at the curve, is equal to width of rod plus extra widening, that is 7 meter plus 0.632, that is 7.632 meters. Next, the total rise of outer edge with respect to the center line. And that is equal to super elevation divided by 2, that is equal to E into width of pavement, rate of super elevation into width of pavement divided by 2. Rate of super elevation we have taken as 0.07 and width of pavement is 7.632, that divided by 2. Okay, and that is equal to 0.27 meter, that is the raise of outer edge with respect to center line will be around 0.27 meter. Rate of introduction of super elevation is given in the question as 1 in 100. So 1 in n is equal to 1 in 100 and the length of transition curve is equal to E by 2 into n. E by 2 we have already calculated, that is 0.27, n is 100 and 27 meter is the length of transition curve by considering the super elevation. Rate of introduction of super elevation. Okay, and the third method is we need to calculate the minimum length of transition curve as per equation given by IRC, and the equation for the length of transition curve as per IRC is 2.7 into V square divided by R. We should substitute in kilometer per hour, that is 2.7 into 60 square divided by 200. The answer is 48.6 meter, and we need to take we need to adopt the highest of these three values, and the length of transition curve will be highest of 39.23, 27 and 48.6 meter. So the length of transition curve will be 48.6 meter and we can round the value to around 49 meter. So the design length of transition curve is 49 meters.